In the high salt spray and high humidity coastal environment, traditional cameras tend to corrode, age and malfunction frequently, increasing maintenance costs. Dahua cameras offer a range of anti-corrosion protection from basic to professional levels. Professional anti-corrosion cameras can be used along a coastline of 2 kilometers or closer. Dahua IPC Professional Anti-Corrosion Camera features enhanced anti-corrosion aluminum alloy material with passivation strengthening and anti-corrosion coating. It meets the C5H NEMA 4X standard. Enhanced anti-corrosion aluminum alloy material. No obvious corrosion after 2,000 hours of salt spray test. The passivation strengthening makes the passivation film more continuous. The anti-corrosion coating makes the compactness is enhanced by 50%. We conducted a neutral salt spray test simulating a coastal environment for up to 1,440 hours. The enhanced anti-corrosion aluminum alloy camera no rust, significantly outperforming ordinary aluminum alloy in corrosion resistance. IPC launched 3 series, 5 series and 7 series products, which are applied in salt spray scenarios such as ports and sea crossing bridge, as well as in weak acid and weak base scenarios such as food processing factory and wastewater treatment plant. Dahua Enhanced Anti-Corrosion Stainless Steel Camera, featuring a SUS 316L stainless steel substrate with polishing, passivation, and fluorocarbon paint. It meets the C5H standard. SUS 316L substrate offers corrosion resistance and hardness for explosion-proof performance. Anti-corrosion treatment polishes to minimizing rust. Passivates to form a dense protective film. Fluorocarbon paint to maintain stainless steel appearance and easy to clean. We launched Enhanced Anti-Corrosion Stainless Steel Camera with ATEX IECX certified explosion-proof performance. It is suitable for oil depot and oil gas pipeline and refinery. We also conducted the 1,440 hours salt spray test. The Enhanced Anti-Corrosion Stainless Steel Camera no rust. The ordinary SUS 316 camera has rust. Enhanced Anti-Corrosion Cameras. Defying corrosion. Enduring protection.